enthusiasts. Ever bit into a burger and wished it didn't just taste amazing but also helped you lose a couple of those unwanted pounds? Hold on to your forks because today, we're diving into vegan foods that do just that. Step 1. The vegan spectrum. First off, veganism isn't just for influencers or those trying to make a statement. It's a legit lifestyle with real benefits. Let's demystify this. Veganism is kind of like Netflix, there's something for everyone. And once you start exploring, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Step 2. Meet your new protein buddies. We all love a good protein punch, right? But who said meat is the only source? Step aside steak and make way for lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, and seitan. Think of these as the backup dancers that sometimes outshine the main star. Who needs meat when the sidekicks are this delicious? Step 3. Grains, not just filler. Brown rice, quinoa, barley, oats. These are not just side dishes. These grains are like those underappreciated employees in an office who do most of the work. They keep you full, fuel your day, and support weight loss. Basically, they deserve a raise. Step 4. Say hello to the green squad. Spinach, kale, chard. They sound like names of superheroes because they kinda are. Packed with nutrients and fiber. They're nature's own broom, ensuring everything's clean and functioning inside. Step 5. The vibrant vegan palate. Ever looked at a fruit stand and marveled at the colors? Nature's candy store, folks. Strawberries, blueberries, oranges, carrots. Snack on these and lose weight? Now that's a win-win. Step 6. Fats that have your back. Avocados, nuts, seeds. Good fats are the friends that stick by you through thick and thin. Quite literally. They're like the cozy blanket on a cold night, keeping everything in balance. Step 7. Water, not just for splashing. While you might think of water as that thing you accidentally spill all the time, it's vital for weight loss. Imagine it as the delivery service of your body, making sure everything gets to where it needs to go. Step 8. Portion control is king. You wouldn't overload a washing machine, would you? Same principle here. Even if it's healthy, balance is crucial. It's kind of like going shopping. Just because it's on sale doesn't mean you need 10 of them. While we're on this delicious roll, if you're loving this content, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. Also, for those curious cats, we have the Carnivore Diet vs. Vegan lifestyle video on our channel. It's a must-watch after this one. Step 9. Sweet treats and vegan eats. Vegan desserts are not an oxymoron. Fruits, dark chocolate, and nut butters are your playground. Dive in and discover a world where indulgence meets health. Step 10. Consistency is your compass. Like any good story, your journey with veganism will have its highs and lows. The key? Stick with it. Imagine trying to grow a plant. It won't bloom overnight, but with consistent care, it'll flourish. Well, we've danced our way through the vegan world, but remember, every dance needs practice. So as you groove into veganism, keep your moves consistent, and don't forget to enjoy the rhythm. A troif, this got your taste buds tingling. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Hungry for more? Check out our previous video on the Carnivore Diet vs. Vegan lifestyle. You won't regret it. Before you run to the kitchen or your nearest vegan restaurant, tell us, what vegan dish can you absolutely not live without? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's get a delicious conversation